So, I am doing a video on the admin abuse. So you'll notice all the time I change my avatar because I want to change it all the time. Okay, moving on.
Di ano tong nasa baba?
Ha? Oh, yung parang ano dito, ginagano ng lock dito sa itaas. Ginabigay ko ng lock when you're mixing the potion.
9 minutes na lang. Ay, 9 minutes.
Bro, look at the oh my. Buff, buff. Oh, din ako. Oh. 4 minutes. Go up here. And I just got this. I posted this video once on the channel that I found this Blavatka on my friend's private server. I'm not lying. See? I'm not lying. I didn't steal it. And why am I glowing? Why am I glowing? Why am I glowing? And a tralalila, tralala. I don't know how to say it. And tralalelo, tralala, and lo for palito.
Guys, pag nag-event, paldo kami.
Yes, sir! Yun yung Berber patapin. Bros ugly. Bros Squidward. What do I get? Jack, jack, jack. Jack, jack, jack!
2, 3.
Jack, jack, jack! I finally got Jack, jack, jack. And the witch is disappearing. I finally got the Jack, jack, jack. Okay. I'm placing these block to block next to Mr. Jacko Jack Jack while he's still laughing. Okay. Paldo to guys. Malapit na mag-a-admin event. Anong oras na ba? Uy, 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 sino ka? Sino ka? Sino ka? Sino nandito? Hey!
Paldo yan, boy.
Sino ka? Stop mo this thing. There.
Ay,
Guys.
paldo.
The friend? Oh, not the woman, yung friend. Bro, yung babae, bro, yung friend ko. It's not kind of the friend. Oh wait, it's my friend. Oh yeah. Hi. So,
Ay, yung may-ari ng private. Ay, hindi mo siya friend.
I want to add friend him. Bro, tiny. Why bro tiny?
Ay, hinahawakan ko yung ano, boy.
Yung.
Eh.
Hey. Okay, so I'm only locking up my base because I'm not too sure if that guy is suspicious or inggitero.
Uy, boy, baka pag naglabas yung mga ano, magkuha din. Eh.
Nah, I'm going to steal them first. I'm going to Medusa him and Boogie Bomb. Bro, can't do it. Wala pa yan. Look.
Basta ako, bantay na pantay dito.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Bigla yung pang nakatingin lang ako dito sa timer. Nag-spawn si Mr. Strawberry Elephant.
Yan kaya po, hindi mo na magbibili.
Why is this guy placed a turret right next to the witch? I want to crop something okay. Okay. Bro standing there. Menacingly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bro. Bam! Okay, I have 100 minutes. 100 seconds. Ah! Stop that. I hate that. Bro, kailangan mo pa ng 10 rebirths so para ikaw makaano. Nah, no way bro got the ano, crab. I don't know what it's called. Bro, how? Oh, you're stealing something from me.
Sa taas yan.
Oh, you're stealing that? You're stealing that?
Okay, steal mo siya, steal. Steal. Steal mo siya. Please.
Meow.
Steal mo siya. No, 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 no.
Orcaletos. Orcaletos. His Orcaletos. I'm stealing his Orcalelos. Hehe.
Pando. Yung isa niya pa,
Two
bilis. Yung isa
Orcaletos.
niya pa.
Ayun, andun pa siya. Saan siya? Nasaan siya? Nandun pa rin sa itaas. Ayun, 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 ayun. I saw him, I saw him, I saw him. Bugibang. Bugibang. Bugibang.
Tulungan. Tutulungan. Bawi niya.
Yeah, di niya kaya makakuha. Bro, I hate the turret.
Bawi niya.
I hate the turret, bro. I don't have the turret. I don't have the turret. Wala akong turret. I hate this. How did it turn invisible? Bro, still see me. How did the turret still see me?
Patay mo.
How? Slapped it?
Yep.
Son of a bitch! This is so hard. Dodge. Oh, there
Oy,
it is.
patay mo. Oy, yung base mo.
Oh my god, it's so laggy!
Diyan siya. Hampasin mo lang yan.
Oh,
Ibugi mo. Ibugi, andun niya.
wala siya dun. Oh, there he is. He's at his base. What's at his base? Wait a minute.
Sa taas mo yan.
Hindi, ayun siya, oh, ayun siya, oh, ayun siya, oh. Was trying to get in. I see you right there.
Yan mo.
Hindi yan pwede. Ayun siya, oh. Tagabugi-bomb. 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 Hehe. 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 Hehe, inggit ka lang. Inggitero ka lang, ba? Inggit ka lang sa akin, ba? Sino mo yung loadout ko? Salamat sa ano mo, sa Los Orcalitos ba? Salamat sa Orcalitos mo. Salamat. Salamat dun sa Orcalitos mo.
Nakawak na din siya, boy. Pag ninanakawa ka niya.
Boss,
Para, ang dasing.
pag ginatry niya ako, skill lang. Yung skill ko sa kanya.
Balo.
Yo.
Tingin siya sana.
Yet, andyan pa siya sa base niya and I'm leaving.
Bakit?
Again, bruh. It's so risky. Oh, 7 minutes. Okay. That's the end of the vlog, guys. Goodbye.